In this clip, we are going to add some particles to our shot. This course is not about particles, so I won't explain how to create the particle system. However, we'll see how to integrate it in our comp. So we'll start by importing the particle system. So we'll go in File, Insert Comp Node, and inside the course material, inside the particles folder, there is a .nk file called floating_ashes. I will select that guy and click on Open. So I'm using Nuke X for that clip. But you can use the normal Nuke as well, it will work. You can import the particle system, just you won't be able to modify it. Alright, so this particle system acts like any other 3D object. So I will need a skyline render. So I'll take this one for instance, copy it and paste it. And then I will connect the particle curve here to the object scene. And I will need to connect the camera as well. Alright, so if I view at this skyline render, I can see that there is some particles here. So I will connect these particles to our main pipe here. So I'll create a merge node with the M key. I will connect the A pipe to the skyline render and the B pipe to my other merge node here. And there we go. So let's view this. And here we are. I got the floating dusts on the top of my main comp. So I will do a couple of adjustments. First, right now, I don't know, but maybe there is some particles who shouldn't be visible because they should be behind Joel or even inside Joel right now. So this is why I'm going to create another scene node here. So we'll do tabulation and scene. I will connect here and I will copy this node here and paste it right here and connect it to the scene. Now Joel is acting like a holdout. Now the problem is that my new geo is blocking the other one. So I will simply switch my merge node to plus. Alright, then maybe it will be worth it to give them another color than this pure white. So we'll create a gray node with the G key, connect it after the scanner render, and inside the gain here, I will simply drop that guy to something like here, for instance. That should be alright. We'll see a little bit later if the color is working or not as we go through the shot. Now, the last thing but not least I want to add to this is some defocus. Because there is like a strong defocus in the background, right? We set it up like to be really blurry background. So it means that the depth of field of our camera should be quite narrow. So I really want to try to add some depth of field using a Z defocus to add some nice bokeh to these floating dusts, at least the one in front of the camera. So we'll add a Z defocus node, so we'll hit the tabulation key again and look for Z defocus. I will connect that node right here. So actually I would prefer to connect it before the gray node. So I'll just invert these two nodes. There we go. And because Joel, my object, is inside that scene here, even if it looks black, I can do my focal point on him. I will just select a point right here. And now I know that my focus is made on Joel. So if I go inside the Z defocus here and I increase the maximum blur to something quite big, and I will need as well to increase that guy here, I will be able to start getting some nice bokeh on the particles which are not in the focus. Alright, so I think we're done for this clip. So in the next clip, we'll have a look to the preview of this shot and we'll do the last touch-ups to finish the shot. So see you there!